Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw 3 pigments from Nintendo. So let's get started. To draw these cute pigments, let's first start by drawing the blue one. So I'm going to come right here and start with the eyes, and we're going to start by drawing an oval. So I'm making my eyes a little bit bigger just to make them a little bit cuter, but you can make them smaller if you like, just like the original. But I'm just going to try and make mine a tiny bit bigger. I'm just going to draw 2 ovals, and then I'm going to come towards this side, towards the outside more, and draw a circle and just shade it in. So same thing here. There. Then from there we're just going to draw a big curve to connect the eyes. So draw the head. So I'm going to come right to the edge of my eye. Same thing over here, and let's go ahead and draw a big curve. Top and then bring it down. And then for the bottom, we're going to drag, imagine this coming through the eye. Then we're just going to bring it down to create this kind of roundish, ovalish head. There, so we bring it down. I'll just bring down a little bit more to about right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come out. Now that we're pretty even on both sides, I'm going to come out and just draw this cute little body. So it's a little bit wider right here, and then we're going to bring it in. There. And then I'll come in between, let's say about right here, where we're going to start the legs. With tiny little legs, I'm just going to draw a little curve, and then come out on both sides with a curve that kind of comes in a little bit. And then let's just go ahead and connect everything, come down, and then we're just going to go 1, 2, and maybe 3 for the tiny feet. So same thing here, 1, 2, and 3. There. And then for the hands, let's come over here. For this blue one, it's hands on its hips. So we're just going to curve and then just zigzag out, and let's thicken it up. So nice and simple. So same thing over here. There. And the blue guy here has a mouth, so we're just going to come about right here. Almost forgot. I'm going to draw this rectangular shape, widen out the rectangular shape, and connect. There. And then my favorite part of the pigment is the flower, the stuff on the top, right? So I'm going to come right here in the center, and I'm going to draw this curve, kind of like a stem, and widen it out towards the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw this one, which is a bloom. So I'm going to come out. We're going to draw 3. So we're going to draw a curve, and then we're going to draw 3 of these crown leaves here to put our bloom in. So let's go ahead, and we're just going to put in this beautiful, bring it to a little tip, white flower. And you can come in here, maybe a curve just for some detail. There, and that is pretty much it for the blue one. So now let's draw the yellow one. So for our yellow pigment here, we need to give it a little bit more space because it has these ears. So I'm going to just kind of imagine another pigment but with ears. So I'll say about, I'll just start about right here. So the same height as our other eye, and I'll just come about, say about right here. Just give myself room for some ears, and I'm going to go ahead once again and draw 2 ovals. So it's basically the same thing. So I'm going to come right across. And I'll just quickly draw, and once again same thing, circle and another circle. There, and then let's see here, so come really close to the edge, and just like the other one, I'm just going to draw a curve to connect our eyes. Then we're going to bring this down create our little neck. And then let's come back about right here to draw these ears. So we're going to bring them out, kind of like Yoda ears. Do a little tip and then bring it in. And for some details, just draw a curve right there. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across about right here. Do a little tip and bring it in. And a little detail. And so once again, the body is basically the same thing. So let's go ahead and draw the same thing. So I'm just going to kind of follow what I did with the other Pikmin. So about same thing about right there. We're just going to go and stop, draw a little curve, and then bring it out for the feet. There. So I'm just going to come out and zigzag a little bit. For our tiny little feet. And then the hands on this Pikmin is just kind of out, so we're going to come right here. And just draw maybe 3 little fingers. So same thing over here. There. And this Pikmin I don't believe has a mouth, so hopefully I'm not wrong about that. And then let's draw the beautiful flower on the top. So I'm going to come right here, and once again, just like the other one, I'm going to draw this stem. It comes from the center of the head, and then this one has a beautiful open flower. So I'm going to imagine, just give myself a little bit of space, continuing, and about right here I'm just going to draw an oval for the center of my flower at a slant. Then let's come back in here, and we're going to draw a curve right here for our first petal. And then this one is going to be a little bit coming down. So draw one more. So our goal is just to make it look like it's opened. So one here, then this one's going to be a slightly shorter, and then one petal that goes down a little bit more. There. So hopefully that does look like it's opened. That's the goal. There. And then our red Pikmin. So once again, really fast. So this one we can bring it closer because it has no ear. So I'll say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval once again for the eyes. And once again, I'm just going to do everything the same. So from there, let's go ahead and once again, the little body. So I'm going to bring this out. And same thing about right here. Just draw a curve. And the legs. There. And let's see, and then hands. So this one is the same thing where the hands are just kind of out like this guy right here. So come right here. 3 little fingers and then bring it in. I think if I were to draw it again, I'd probably make the bodies a little bit shorter. Make it a little bit cuter. Okay, and then this guy has like a little nose. So I'm going to come right here and just kind of like draw this little cone-shaped nose right there. And then it has a leaf on the top. So once again, towards the center, let's go ahead and draw a stem going up. Thicken it up. And this beautiful leaf. So I'm going to bring this out and come right here and draw a leaf. There. So hopefully I've helped you draw these cute pigments, and let me know in the comments below if you love this game and there's other pigments you would like me to help you draw. Just let me know in the comments below. But that is pretty much it, and you know what, let's give each of our pigments here a heart. Why not? It's my Draw So Cute pigment, right? So I'll go ahead and do that really quick. So they're all done. I really hope you love how these cute pigments turned out from the Nintendo Switch game, and that I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.